going on, guys? Today's Saturday. It's about 12 o'clock. Got the transmission back. I'm just taking off all the downstar bolts so I can paint the transmission. And then, yeah, I'm just going to paint it up. And we should be ready to go. For now, just going to take everything off of here, clean it up, and just paint it up. The trans all painted. Now I'm gonna be putting the downstar bolts back on. Alright, so the bell housing bolts was on. I put the fork on with the throttle bearing, you guys can see. So that's good. I know I'm not supposed to be doing no crazy like lifting or whatever, but I can't wait any longer. So I'm gonna be jacking up the car, pulling out the motor, and trying to put this trans on. Hopefully I don't like destroy my back. Guys, sorry I didn't record it, but I just pulled out the motor. But I got the trans on there. My idea is to try to put the trans on there, just roll it into the motor and bolt it up, right? But the motor is leaning this way because there's nothing. The oil pan on that side is higher. The oil pan on that side is higher, so the motor's leaning. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some ghetto shit. I'm gonna put that brick and that weight under, so the dolly could probably lean this way, and it'll probably match up even with this. Hopefully I can just slide it in, put the bolts on, and then my only issue will be moving the motor that way, putting it the other way, so it'll be easier to install. So let's see. Alright, so we ended up doing some ghetto shit. We tilted the, well, Pedro helped me. We tilted the motor all the way that way. We threw the trans on. I lined it up, it's going in now, and putting the bolts on to tighten it so it'll close up easier. But we finally got it on now. Finally the dowel pin is in. We're good to go. Alright, got it bolted up. Shout out to my boy Pedro that came through. I was gonna put it on my lap, but it wasn't possible because the dolly kept moving. So we ended up doing it that way. He just tilted the motor for me. I picked up the trans. I put the spline, I guess with the spline, whatever you want to call it, where the clutch is at. Then I just started like turning it and moving it so it could just go in, because obviously if the spline's online, the clutch is not, I mean the transmission is not gonna go into the clutch. It's just gonna be like a barrier. So I literally just kept turning it side to side and then going up and down, and it'll line straight up. Put it on. It was a little bit of a hassle to like try to push it in, so I just ended up putting the bolts on, screwing it in, making sure it was going in little by little, and here we are right now. So everything's together. I'm fucking super excited, and yeah. So now I'm gonna just put this. Actually, before I do that, I'm gonna throw on the transmission bracket that goes there, and I'm gonna actually put the alternator on too. Just to get out of the way so I don't have to do that. And I also, never mind, I also have to do the oil sandwich plates that I have in the car. Alright, so right here I have two. I gotta see which one fits on there. I just got a regular blocks oil sandwich plate. If you guys don't know what this is for, you can use this for LSV to get oil to the head and for turbo. So got the fitting also with it already. This fitting is going to go to the turbo for the feed, and then the return is going to go to the oil pan in the front. But it's basic, just a regular sandwich plate. But I got to figure out which one of these fits, which I think it's that one. Yep, that was going in perfect. Let me just double check. Yeah, this one's too small. So basically, all you want to do, let's do this, right? Let me see if I could do it. I'm putting the camera down. Hold on a second. You guys see? You guys can see. So basically, what you want to do is get the sandwich plate. Oh, let me just make sure this is aligned. So, all right. So we're running into an issue where this one fits but it doesn't fit on here. This one fits on here, but doesn't fit in here. So now we have an issue. Alright, so I ended up putting this on, scratched it up a little bit. It's giving me some issues. I had to like literally smash it on, so whatever, smashed on. I don't have the 25, I have the 25 in my Jeep, which I have to get and I have to see if it fits. But for now, that's how it's going to stay. I'm going to tighten it down. The only thing is that when I tighten this moves. Usually it's not like that. Usually it's, you mount this and then you just tighten it down and it stays. But since it's so tight and I don't have sandpaper, the whole thing is twisting. So my fitting is right here. So I'm just hoping that I could put the fitting here, run an oil line. If not, I'm going to have to figure it out. But I'm going to move on to the alternator. I bought a brand new bolt for the alternator, so I'm going to just mount that up, put the belt on, and then hopefully we get to put the motor on. Motor would have been on, but it's this little small shit that keeps giving me issues. Alright, got the starter on. Down start bolts also, down start bolt, everything, guys. You guys should know this by now. I'm about to do the alternator. Yes, I know the alternator, it's not as best, but I didn't need to buy a new alternator. You don't really see it, so it's not mine. It's mine. A beautiful motor, and yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna put the alternator on. Went to Honda. You guys know everything OEM, so got this for the top bolt. I mean for the bottom bolt, sorry. And then I have to find where I put the bolt for the top on it. All right, so I put the bracket on, starter, alternator. I don't know where that bolt is at, so I'm gonna have to order one or just get another regular bolt. I don't have any right now. Everything is on, fork is on good, throttle bearing is on good, everything is on good. So now we're gonna just, I'm gonna attempt to put this in. I know I can do it, but just a little bit harder when you have like no one. You gotta like, you know, back up, lower it, move it, back up, lower it, higher it. So let's see how this goes. It's just everything with one person is a lot harder because it's easier when you could just, you know, someone's pushing it and you're lowering the car and they could see where the mouse go and everything. But one man team today, so let's get it. Alright, so the camera died. I needed to get another jack. My boy Chris just came out of nowhere, which is perfect because we're jacking the car down and he's placing the motor, so I don't have to be running back and forth. But just a little bit more and we're good to go. Why is my ISO so low? That's why again. Alright, yeah, so just need to go a little bit lower. We got the jack right here and yeah, we should be good. Just to go a little bit more this way.
What it is, Blue?
Oh, is the mount. This should not line up back there. Let me see if it'll go up. Do it again. Alright, now I need to push the motor fucking this way.
Don't be putting me in an options watch.
Hi, so it took me a little bit longer because this mount was giving me an issue because this post mount is a billet, so it's aftermarket, and the two bolts that Frank sent me are for the factory one, so I fucked up on that. I should have told him to send me shorter one, so I just used the one that the post mount came with, and the one that Frank sent me is for the stock post mount, which is too long. So he's gonna send me out. He already sent me out some bolts. This should be on Monday, but then he gotta send me another set for these two, and then that side gave me an issue also too because of that post mount. But I got everything on. I'm gonna leave the T-bracket for another day because I'm already exhausted, but the motor is in. What up, guys? What's going on? My camera is dead, so gonna be doing just gonna be vlogging off my my regular camera right now. Just want to show you guys something real quick. Just got in. So, just got my fuel in, which, look at that. Bro, what a perfect match. Has the South Bay injectors already, 1,600 cc's. So I'm going to be putting this on, and then I actually now have the bolts that I need for my motor mount. Because remember, I told you guys they were too long. He sent me out another one. He sent me this one out, which works, but again, my my post mount is aftermarket, so it still fits a little big. I mean, it just has like, it's just a little long, but that's fine because they sent me out another set which is different, and these definitely are better because these have thread all around, so this will definitely be better and shorter too, if you guys can see. So that should be perfect right there. So he sent me out two. You gotta take off the washers from that one and the one I have inside and connect it. But first, I'm gonna just throw the fuel rail on. Wow, what a match! Look at that match, crazy. Yes, I'm gonna throw this on first. I'll get the bolts for this. I gotta find the bolts for this, and we should be good. Oh, you guys don't know, I just got some new strut tower bolts also. I got some strut tower bolts, and you guys already know everything is Downstar. Got me a Downstar cap also. Got me a Downstar VTEC solenoid cap. All right, guys. So went ahead and put the new bolts on, so now it looks a lot better, a lot shorter. Both of those on. Now we ran into another issue where I forgot to tell Frank I'm running big injectors, so obviously the fuel is gonna set a lot higher away from the manifold. You guys can see from here. So the bolts that come with the fuel are usually for, like, you know, stock fuels or injectors that are not that big. So you guys can see my South Bay sit pretty high. So I'll just hit them up, ask them if you can send me a set of the fuel bolts. I just need the bolts, I don't need the washers. Just higher than the ones that he sent me. Well, the ones that higher than the ones that the kit comes with. So that's my fault. But it's a lot of, you know, errors and, you know, learning and stuff, because I've never, you know, this is all new. I mean, I'm changing every single bolt on this motor. So yeah, basically it's just trial and error. So yeah, but look how good she looks with that fucking fuel, dude. That shit matches perfect. And you guys haven't even seen the motor because the camera ended up dying again. But here she is. I just put this to the side now, but this is what I just keep here. So put over the motor so nothing get in it or whatever, because I don't have no spark plugs. And well, I have spark plugs, but I don't want, like, stuff to get dirty and stuff in there. So, but yeah, that's what she's looking like right now. Hey guys, so that pretty much does it for the video. Motor is in. Just wanted to give you guys a little rundown. Make sure to kill this video with likes for this beautiful, beautiful masterpiece that I'm building right here. So I really appreciate it. If you guys run up this video, hit the like button like crazy, comment down below, share, all that good stuff. We need to get back in the rhythm and try to get an algorithm up also. So look how beautiful this thing looks, man. Like I said, I could put the harness on literally right now, but I'm gonna save that for another video. I have mostly all the sensors that I already need. But yeah, so I have a throttle body I'm getting off of Spanky. I think it's a Skunk 2 version 2 with a 3-inch V-band, Vibrant V-band on it already. It's black, so I'm gonna get that from him. Also, I already have the bolts on there. Yeah, so once I literally put that throttle body on, yeah, that's gonna be most likely all the stuff that I really need to do. I mean, I gotta do like the hoses and stuff, obviously, like back here, but that's gonna be super easy because there's literally nothing in the way. You guys can see there's nothing there, so there's nothing there. So literally, you know, doing these hoses and everything is gonna be literally 1, 2, 3. Like this one goes from here to here. It's just a loop. This one goes straight to the heater core. I'm not sure, I think it goes to the right side of the heater core, and then this one up here goes all the way around, and it goes to that side of the heater core too. But for this one, I have to buy like a little it's like a little valve, because the hose comes in two pieces. It comes from here to here, then it's like a valve, and then it goes back into there, and then this clips onto it. And then this one goes to the bottom radiator, this one goes to the top of the radiator, and then the TPS, if I remember correctly, it goes to, I think it's this one, and then there's another one around there somewhere. I could also look at my old motor and have better knowledge of it, but yeah, this thing is coming together. Like I said, there's a lot of trial and error, but once I start getting like all the stuff bolted up and then get the harness on, I'm going to be actually working inside the car. I'm going to start wiring everything up. I also have to still wire up the boost solenoid, so I'm going to do the boost solenoid and start doing a couple of more stuff inside. And to be honest, once I get the throttle body, I already have my map sensor. I have the Honda map sensor. I just have to get this right here, which I have to actually see if mine works, because people saying that it's not gonna work. If not, then I have to get the there's another one that they saw. I saw it's like a billet one, which I don't mind getting because I need it. But yeah, the intake air temperature sensor goes in the back. Just little small stuff now, basically. But yeah. Oh, I also have to do the back mount. In the last video, I said I was gonna leave it for another day, but I ended up putting on the back mount. You guys can see. I gotta try to get another one of these bolts. I forgot to get one of these bolts, so I gotta get another one of those. But for now, yeah, she's good. Hey guys, remember, like, comment, subscribe, build to enjoy. Let's run these numbers up with this video right here. I need this video to literally go viral. I need this video to go crazy. It all depends on you guys. Make the video go crazy. Like it up. Comment down what you guys think about this build. I mean, listen, I'm trying to go crazy with this build. I'm trying to have something crazy come out of New York, you know? Everybody got stuff coming crazy out from Florida and Cali. I'm trying to hold it down for New York. So remember, guys, let's make this video go crazy. Peace out.